the soul's standing ovation, healing melodies. Did you know certain melodies can literally alter your brain chemistry, impacting physical pain and emotional trauma? In fact, studies show music therapy can reduce chronic pain by up to 21%. It's not just a feeling. Scientific studies reveal music's profound, measurable effect on healing. Prepare to discover how specific sounds can unlock your body's innate ability to recover and find true solace. Cultivating your personal sound haven. Practical guide, identifying your healing melodies and creating personalized playlists. Beyond passive listening, active engagement with sound through humming, singing, or instrumental exploration. Integrating sound healing tools into daily routines. Bowls, chimes, binaural beats. The latest frequency research, exploring specific hertz frequencies for targeted healing. Specific frequencies and vibrations interact with your body's natural rhythms, helping to slow heart rate, regulate breathing, and shift you out of fight or flight mode. This calming effect reduces anxiety, quiets intrusive thoughts, and opens space for emotional release. On a deeper level, sound waves can support the regeneration of cellular function by creating a harmonized internal environment, one where the body can begin to repair and reset. Whether you're grieving, overwhelmed, or simply searching for peace, music tuned to intentional frequencies can offer more than comfort. It can offer physiological restoration. 1. 432 Hz, the natural tuning frequency, known for promoting inner peace, emotional balance, and physical relaxation. Why it works. Often called the harmonious frequency, 432 Hz resonates with the Earth's natural vibration and is believed to support a return to emotional and physiological equilibrium. Benefits: lowers blood pressure, reduces tension, enhances mental clarity, and promotes spiritual connectedness. 2. 528 Hz, the miracle or DNA repair frequency, known for cellular healing, emotional repair, and transformation. Why it works. Research suggests 528 Hz influences the water structure within the body and may play a role in DNA and cellular repair processes. Benefits: supports anxiety release, strengthens the immune system, enhances heart-brain coherence, and promotes feelings of safety. 3. 396 Hz, release of fear and guilt, known for helping release deep emotional blocks and subconscious grief. Why it works. Part of the solfeggio frequency scale, 396 Hz resonates with the root chakra and can support grounding and emotional security. Benefits: alleviates feelings of heaviness, grief, shame, and fear, especially important for those healing from trauma or loss.